Hello, guys, welcome. Trust me, money saved is money earned. Do not waste your money. Welcome, guys, to your channel. And in today's video, we are reviewing, discussing 8 don'ts that can totally change your financial success. Okay, without wasting any time, let us get on to the first don't. First don't is don't use credit card. Okay, without credit card it is very difficult to survive. I know that. For our online shoppings, for our restaurant ordering, there are a lot of things. But yeah, you can survive. We do have debit cards. Guys, please keep your credit cards for only emergency. Don't be tempted to use them for the benefit of those what do we get, those lucky points. No, points, reward points. Okay, I have not seen even one person in last 20 years who has become rich because of rewards point, but people are crazy. I want to collect my reward points, I want to become rich, I want to do that. After slogging, spending 1 lakh, you will get how much? 500, 600 rupees. Guys, please. And bank will charge a lot of interest from you. Do not think credit card, only in emergencies, please. Okay, second don't delay your investments. Guys, very simple example. The sooner you start investing, the more corpus you'll be able to build. Small example, let's say we have two friends, Ram and Sham. Ram started investing at the age of 30 years, 10,000 rupees per year. 10,000 per year. And Sham started investing at the age 35, 10,000 per year. By the time they both turn 60, hear me out, at the 8% compounded interest, Ram will get around 12,50,000. That's 1.2 million. And on the other hand, Sham, who started at 35, he will get how much? Around 7.5 lakhs. See the difference. Start early. Okay. Third don't ignore inflation. Okay, inflation will always eat on your investments. So if you're investing in a fixed deposit for 8% vis-a-vis a mutual fund which will give you a 12%, mutual fund is better, right? So just check my investment tools versus the inflation, because your money should be sufficient if you are planning for a financial success, for your financial freedom, right? So don't number 3. Don't number 4 is don't be careless in the market. Okay, with that I mean to say, I have seen people burning their hands in equity. They get a feeling that okay, this stock is going to go up, I will invest everything into this stock. Markets are unpredictable. With market I mean stock market is unpredictable. So rather than putting all your funds in one particular stock, you have to spread your investment into multiple stocks, guys. My personal suggestion would be go for SIP, systematic investment plan. Maybe select a good index fund, put your money in that index fund, or check with your financial advisor. Maybe a large cap or some mid cap, small cap, something can be made. Okay, so don't be reckless in the market. Fifth don't dip into your investment fund. Don't dip into your retirement fund. So with that I mean to say, there will be many occasions, the corpus which you have accumulated through mutual funds or through FDs, through debt funds, there will be temptations for you to use that money, maybe for some foreign vacation or something else, maybe some expensive jewelry or marriage. It's a complete no, guys. No, you cannot dip into your retirement fund. It is only meant for your retirement. Nobody else will take care of you. Only your money will take care of you. Okay. Sixth don't cash in your employee provident fund. Okay. So with this, I mean to say, if you are in a job, we always get a feeling that, oh, a lot of my money is getting into the employee provident fund. It is fine. But once you will get that money after you retire, you'll be extremely happy. Trust me. At one side, you have your personal portfolio where you are investing in fixed deposit, debt instruments, mutual funds, stocks, national pension schemes. And side by side, your employee provident fund is also growing. So it will be fantastic. Do not cash out. If you change jobs, always shift your employee provident fund to the next employer so that the compounding keeps on happening. Seventh, don't ignore tax saving tools. Okay, guys, with tax saving tools, I mean to say there are a lot of government offerings, national pension schemes, national saving certificates. Use that for your advantage. Don't ignore that. They are very powerful tools which will give you support in building a portfolio. Okay, and last is, don't think insurance as a investment tool. Insurance is purely insurance. It's your protection. My recommendation is go for term insurance. 1 crore, 2 crore basis the support you need. Okay, so I have seen people considering insurance as a investment tool. It is not. Go for term insurance and reap the benefits. Okay, guys, so these are the don'ts which you should be aware of to build your investment portfolio and become financially free. Okay, with this, I will end this video. May God bless you. You take care of your finances. I will connect with you again. Thank you, guys.